Hey YouTube, good morning. It's Patrice Sunflower here. It's Monday morning, January 17th, 2022. Toronto just had its first blizzard of the year. Yeah, first blizzard of the year. It is -5, feeling like -12, and we're walking on the waterfront trail here. Toronto's first blizzard of 2022. As you can see, it really snowed a lot, and it looks just amazing. Anyway guys, enjoy the walk. Luckily, the Martin Goodman Trail here, waterfront trail, has been cleared, so that's really cool. But a lot of the sidewalks and streets are still full of snow. But it makes it nice for filming, and thought you guys might like to see. We don't get blizzards too often, but they have happened. And it's certainly not the blizzard of 1977, which really affected Buffalo, New York, which is just our neighbors to the south. They got so much snow there. But we chose to walk here today in Humber Bay Shores. Took the bus and we'll continue to walk here. Show you some of the views. Certainly these pine trees. To get to a clear path. It snowed a lot. I don't even know how much. Maybe I say 30 to 50 centimeters. I don't know if that much came down, but quite a bit. These are looking really good. Really nice. Look at these benches, guys. I've never seen them with this much snow before. Actually, we did have a major snowstorm blizzard in, I think it was 1998 or 99. I do remember that. It was many years ago, 23 years ago. And it was like, we couldn't go anywhere. Like cars going through here now, back then, we had to have like a shovel in the car to get anywhere. It was so much snow. It's not too cold. I'm not even wearing gloves. But it's a beautiful day. Happy Monday. Enjoy. snowplow up ahead, guys. Gonna have to get out of this way. Ooh, look at that. Etobicoke York District, guys. Etobicoke York District salt removing truck. Cool. Look at the waves, guys. They're huge.